4 and 4 cancels out each other. It leaves us with 4 divided by 1, and 4 divided by 1 equals 4. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present, and in between we have a fraction involved too. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. 4 divided by 1 over 4. So here a number is getting divided by a fraction. So the easiest thing we can do is apply KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 4 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip the fraction 1 over 4 as 4 over 1. We can write it as simply 4. And then we have times 4 present from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present. So we just go work from left to right. 4 times 4, that leaves us with 16. And 16 times 4, that equals 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.